You know how some people just clean up and organize stuff, bring stuff out, take stuff out? Nah. This is just how it is. Just shooting this before I change more stuff. So there's absolutely no cleaning in this room. So this is my main beat up. This is where I do all the shenanigans. My main computer. I need some television to watch sports. Water. Speakers, subwoofer. Guitar. Desk. Whatever. My executive chair. Guitar. AC. This is how I treadmill. Sleeping post. My whatever, another workout. Guitar. Yeah. See on. Whatever. So hectic. I had 7, now just down to 2. Whatever. I'm not really into tech stuff no more. Superman. If you put the Star David. They call him a Superman sign. Jewish, I guess. Over here, the yin yang. I don't really know what the S means. Whatever. If you hear that, that's what I'm rocking to. That's the setup as of June 2012. Thinking of changing it maybe. So just for the record, I just made this crappy video. Bye bye.